come out here and this is... You've built a cat army. Once again, we start our Marrakech day in the Medina. We decided against our pool day.
Yeah.
We thought it'd be easy just to find a pool for a couple hours, but they charge like £50 a person. Minimum.
Yeah. One was like
and we only need
100 per person.
And we only need like 4 hours. It's not worth it.
No, it's not.
So we're just going to go eat, wander, and waste some money elsewhere.
Yeah.
I don't even remember this point. Some idiot took us completely the wrong way, and now we're just completely lost. There's like not a single soul in sight. I haven't seen anyone in like 20 minutes. Which way did we come?
No idea.
I don't remember which way we came.
I'm not sure anymore.
There's two left and right. Oh, yoy, yoy. Well, this is the way we came like 4 seconds ago.
Okay.
Like the map's just like not updating. The trick is to look for people that clearly are staying here and know where they're going, and then just follow.
Yes. Wrong way.
Say all that again.
Okay. Oh. You said.
You missed the turn.
You
That's
missed
why we
the
got
turn.
lost.
You said. You walk, and when you go the wrong way, I'll tell us, and we'll go the right way.
But look how that planned out. We made it back to the street. The issue is, so we don't have internet, and this map says it's only giving us driving routes.
Oh.
But the driving route is saying...
Are longer?
It's saying get to here, and then like jump over the wall.
Oh.
Like look, it's like a teleportation line. I've said it once and I'll say it again. You cannot be trusted to direct us.
Neither can you.
No. You missed that one turn and that screwed me up.
You were supposed to be paying attention.
We made it.
You've made it.
Finally close. Mm-hmm. Hopefully get some food and get back before we get kicked out of our hotel. Hello. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Food dance. Yeah, something just fell from the sky. Hello, buddy. Oh, it's because there's no window up there. It's just open. Yeah. It is. There's glass, but then, like, it's just covered with plastic. He's returned. Hello. That cheeky bird's been coming into our house and stealing our food whilst we've been sleeping. That's it. Goodbye, little Marrakech accommodation. We are out of here.
Okay.
Here to greet us one last time. Hello. Chop chop. We have 4 hours to kill
Yes.
whilst waiting for a taxi. So we're probably going to head to that Sky Bar
Yeah.
and
Might start with a mint tea. Work my way up to a cocktail.
4 hours is a long time, actually.
It is a long time.
Take it all in one last time. Go on. The noises, the people, the smells.
Exactly.
You know what? Surprisingly, there's not many flies that get in your face all the time.
No, it's not actually.
Worse in Australia.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's nice and cool up here.
It's cold.
It's so hot down there. It's a nice breeze.
Virgin cold.
Time to get a beer, I think.
You get a beer?
Yeah, I'm not spending £12. It's so expensive to get alcohol here. You want a cocktail, it's like 12 quid. It's like the same price as England. Start with a tasty tea. Go on, I want to see your pouring skills.
Pouring skills? Oh.
Go on.
Breezy up
you
here.
Go, up you go, up you go, up you go. Yeah.
Nailed it.
10 out of 10. Show you how a professional does it. You ready?
5 hours later. Oh.
The wind took it.
It's going to be sweet, this one.
Also spoiled.
Very
It's
sweet.
very sweet. Good though. Yummy. I like this tea. Probably because it's got so much sugar in it.
Probably.
Look at this nerd. We're both addicted to the new Pokemon card game. Look at that one. You got 2-star.
Shiny.
Nice. Or slow bro.
No slow. Got 100 slow bros. That was a good
I
one.
just opened mine, I got absolutely nothing.
You got nothing, honey?
No. To prove I'm better than you, I'm opening one right now.
Go on then.
You ready? You
Yeah.
ready? You ready?
I'm waiting.
Oh, it's all rubbish.
I knew it.
I have made an executive decision. We are not wasting the rest of our day in this lovely balcony. We are going to go to this beautiful garden.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah. So much for walking. And literally 5 seconds later.
I felt bad for you with the bags.
Adorable little sunset.
Hey, Oats, this is a cute one. Go, go, I love this. It's so good.
Should have just used these every
I
time.
know, right? It's awesome. So good.
I love these things. So
Hold on.
any little bump anywhere.
Yeah.
Defy the bump. It's a race bump.
Going? Lovely.
Take it. Thank you.
Thank you
Cheers.
so
Have a good
much.
one.
All our change.
That's for the rest. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye. Look at that thing. Amazing. Bye. And just like that, after a very fun little journey
It was fun, wasn't
with
it?
a NASCAR granny,
That was
we made it.
awesome. She was so funny.
Well, we were so rapid and that was so quick that now we're too early and we can't get in. Because you have to book these tickets online. You can't show up and pay by card or cash at the door. They have specific time slots and like, look at that. That's 2 p.m.
Queues to get in.
There's also a queue around the corner for 1:30.
Massive, massive queue.
Now what do we do?
Don't know.
I don't
Have
think
a
I can
walk
have
around?
another Moroccan tea.
Should we just walk around for a
We
bit?
could walk around, but we're also carrying this.
Yeah, I know, but saved you 40-minute journey.
Yeah,
Carrying it.
true.
I wonder why
very
this
nice.
one's so busy.
Because it's beautiful, apparently.
Yeah,
Me too.
7 minutes.
So we have 30 minutes to wait.
We do.
What better way to wait for our time slot? Dessert. And somehow you managed to get 2 ice creams.
Yeah, they put 2 on the order, but you said you'll eat it, so.
I'm not complaining. I'll definitely eat 2 ice creams. Ice cream and tiramisu mix. That's a bit of a queue, isn't it? For 2:30.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. 50-minute wait.
Yeah.
We are
We're in.
So what was that review you said?
Yeah,
this
come on.
place is just absolutely full of influencers
Yeah.
taking photos, and there's literally a queue to take a photo in there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Candid. Oh, look at that tree. Wow.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Yeah, what is that smell? Granite.
Wow. Little bushes. They're pretty.
came here.
Yeah, same actually.
To think we were going to sit on a rooftop bar and do nothing for 4 hours.
Yeah, that would have been a big mistake, wouldn't it?
Picturesque. Can the picture stop moving?
Oh.
Background's alright. Look at that. Whoa.
Cute.
Mate, I didn't say stop.
Oh.
I said stay.
Oh. Got like skirt, isn't it?
Crowds and crowds.
You're in my picture.
Abla bu taraftan.
How on earth are we ever going to get a photo or anything here?
Crazy.
Look at everyone.
Madness.
It's madness. This is obviously why they have time slots.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if they just had this open to everyone?
Isn't it? More.
Can you believe it? We managed to get a photo of you without someone in it. We got lucky there.
Yeah, I know, right?
This is why you can't have nice things. People carve their names into the
What on earth?
cactuses. And that's it. We've seen it all.
Yeah.
With
Done.
20 minutes to spare. Now taxi,
Perfect.
airport, England.
Ugh, cold. It's going to be really cold.
Exciting.
Yuck. God, how long does it take to grow a cactus that big? It's so weird. Weird.
Oh look, no people behind us.
No people.
I won't turn around because there's still people everywhere, but we'll just look this way.
Not this side.
Wow, magic. And look at that, we are at the airport. It's a really fancy airport, actually.
It is.
Well, I don't
From the
remember
outside?
From the outside, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it. I actually don't think I've ever had to check security before entering an airport before. Mini security before security. It's funny though, because they're doing this security, but also they're like, single person's beeping through, they're like, yep, carry on. People are going with their phones in their pockets, headphones on their heads, they're like, yep, sure thing. They're scanning the bags, but literally, like, the guy wasn't even looking at the screen. This is the worst airport I've ever been to in my life.
Ever. Absolutely horrible.
All these people just waiting and waiting and
Mad.
waiting. And no one's moving.
No.
And these workers are just
Terrible.
definitely give yourself extra time when coming to this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't forget
Turn up
your
early.
boarding card.
Yeah,
Make
print
sure
out
it's
your
printed.
non-boarding card so you don't get charged £50.
How do you feel? Not being in that anymore.
Thank the Lord, we got here when we
Did
did.
it that way?
Chaos. Chaos for no
All
reason.
those unlucky people.
Oh, madness.
I guess in the end we got kind of lucky because everyone queued in 3 lines.
Yeah,
And
and
we
we
managed to
snuck
snuck in. We didn't sneak in, no one saw the 4th line.
Yeah, for some reason.
See, we got our boarding passes, but we gave her the piece of paper and she put it to the side and printed our tickets.
Yeah.
She didn't even check them. She must be random
So you
checks
don't
then.
use it?
Must be random checks.
Well, it doesn't make any sense. I think it's just I don't really know. Shame.
Nice. Yeah, shame the service doesn't match the aesthetics. She's always a naughty girl. What have you done? It always is you. I think you look shifty. You look shifty, that's why.
With a drug in my pocket.
Oh. I got it.
Joke.
This is actually crazy. We had to go through all that first thing, then go through like a check, then go through the security check. Now we have to get in this line. Now this is passport control. I don't think I've ever had to deal with so much. And I really need a pee. Around every corner, there's another line. Every corner. Oh. We're getting there. We're getting there.
One more trip to go, maybe.
I heard the next one, they bend you over and put a finger in. After all that, and then South Gatwick has been evacuated due to a suspicious object. I hope we're not delayed even more. We're already getting there at 11 p.m. I can't be bothered with this anymore. Well, we spoke too soon. Literally 15 seconds later since the last clip. Delayed by an hour.
Yeah.
My can looks so shocked that I opened him. Yay. Yay. Look at that, we've landed. Nearly 1 a.m. 0 degrees. It's ridiculous. And it's 1 a.m. I think I said that. I'm exhausted. Time to go home, go to bed. Good night.